Does this look familiar to you, subtracting with regrouping? Looks familiar? Or you forgot? That's fine. We're going to go over it. What, do you know what subtraction is?
Yeah.
What subtraction?
It's like thing you use in math. And it's like
Or you also could use minus, right? Like when we take away something?
no, you take it.
Right. Okay, so let's start with basic, right? So for instance, let's do 58 minus 42. So what do we do here?
Take away.
Right, this is our ones, and this is what? Times, right, good job. So what do we do now?
You take away 2 from 8.
Do it. No, not this one, this one.
You can see. So I read that one. I want you to read.
Do we have to borrow?
No.
I just tricked you.
If you give a dog
And then this one.
So let's solve it. 8 minus 2 is 6. Right. 5 minus 4 is
1.
right. So 58 minus 42 is
16.
right. Good job. Now I won't trick you no more. Now we're gonna do subtracting with regrouping. So I'm gonna model one problem, and I'm gonna use this checklist to help me solve regrouping. Because sometimes I get confused with the ones place and the tens place. It's confusing for me. So now I have steps to follow, and every time I have a step, I'll check it off when I do it. Okay? So we're gonna use this grid paper to help us. So now we're gonna put down the dry erase pens, and now we're gonna use our pens that we chose. So let's do 63 and 48. So I'm gonna label my ones place and my tens place to help me, because sometimes I can get confused. So 3 minus 8. I don't have enough ones to do that, so now I'm gonna have to borrow for the 10. So let's look at my checklist. So 1 says always start in the ones place. So I'm gonna start in my ones place. 3 minus 8. So I'm gonna check it off because I'm starting in my ones place. Number 2, if the top number is greater than or the same as the bottom number, then just subtract. Is this top number bigger than the bottom number?
No.
No, it's less. So now I'm gonna check this off because I just checked. Number 3, if the top number is smaller, then you must regroup. So now we're gonna regroup. So now I'm gonna check this off because I just checked. Number 4, take a 10 away and give it to the ones. So now we're gonna go to the tens and take 10 away. So now this becomes 5. And now we're gonna go back to the 3 and give it to the 3. So now this becomes
13.
right, 13. Good job. See, I almost tricked you? So now number 4, take away 10 away and give it to the ones. Okay, I just did that. And number 5, now we're gonna subtract. So 13 minus 8 is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 5. And now 15 minus 4 is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I think I did something wrong.
So let's think about what.
I didn't have to regroup. So now 5 minus 4 is 1. Okay, now together we're gonna do another problem and we're gonna use this checklist, okay?
I see that one.
Huh?
I see the one that you put.
Yes, it's this one. Now we're gonna do a different one. Give me a number from 1 to 9.
1 to 8.
8, okay. Another number.
2.
Okay, give me a number bigger than 8.
9.
Okay, now, maybe 5. So now we created this. 82 minus 95. Do you think it's hard?
No.
No, you could do it, right? We're both gonna do it by this checklist. So we're gonna label. We can't forget to label the 1s and the 10s. So now we're gonna look at our checklist. Always start in the 1s place. Are we starting? So that's where? Right. So now let's check off number 1. Good job. So number 2, if the top number is greater than or the same as the bottom number, then just subtract. Is 2 bigger than 5?
No.
So now we have to regroup, right? So let's check off 2 and 3 because now we're gonna regroup. So now we're gonna, number 4, take our 10 away and give it to the 1s. So now what do we do with the 2?
We make it into a 12.
Right, because we don't have enough what?
1.
So we're gonna make this a 12. And now what do we do for the 10s place? Because we had to take 10 away.
Make it into a 7.
So now 12 minus 5 is
12 minus 5.
look, use your fingers. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
10. No.
How many fingers do I have?
13. No. 7.
Oh, yes. Okay, now 17 minus 9.
You put the 1. And it's only supposed to be 7.
Okay, so now let's erase the 1. Can we subtract 7 from 9? Right? So it's from this.
17.
Right. So 17 minus 9.
Wait, what are you taking away from?
We can't subtract 7 and 9. So we already borrowed 10. So now we're going to put 17.
Oh.
So let's see. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 8. We should do a simpler one. Let's do a simpler one. Let's do... Let's do 8. Now what do I have to do when I write a problem? I have to...
Put the 10 and 1.
Right, good job. You're doing awesome. Uh-oh, can I subtract 88 minus 29?
No.
So now what do I do with the 8? I start in the 1's place. The number is not bigger than 9. And now we have to regroup. So we have to take 10 away. So now what do I do?
You take 10 away. You take 10 from the 8.
Right, so now what do I do? You do it. Write it with your red pen. Right, so this becomes an 18, and you're borrowing from the 8. So the 8 becomes a what?
8 becomes
You borrowed it from the 10s, and you gave it to the 1. So if you took it away from the 8, now what does that become?
18.
In the 10s place.
8. No, 7.
Right, good job. So now we're going to start in the 1s place, and now we're going to subtract, right? So you check the bottom one off, because now we're going to subtract.
You roll a 2 and a 4.
So now what's 18 minus 9?
This is what you're going to do. You're going to roll it, write it, and then
Should I count on our fingers? Want to count on our fingers? I still count on my fingers. So let's count from 9. 9.
And I got a 6.
10.
So how many fingers do I have? Hold on.
Oh, no.
Right, so let's write 9. Now what next?
You take away 2 from 7.
Right, so now 7 minus 2 is?
5.
So 88 minus 29?
And 59.
Good job. Okay, fine. See, we used our checklist. We're going to do one more together, and then you're just going to do a few on your own, okay? You think you could do it? You're a pro already? Yes, you are. You're a pro. Okay, let's do maybe 70, 76 minus 80. And what do we have to do? I have to. Is this the 1s place?
No.
What place is this?
The 10th place.
You see, you are a pro. What place is this? 100s? What place is this?
The 1s.
Oh, you're on fire.
divide it.
Okay, now together.
If you want to
Always start in the 1s place. So you just show me what the 1s place was, so I checked that off. Is the top number bigger than the 7?
No.
No, so we just check that too. If the top number is smaller, you must regroup. So now we're going to regroup. So take this marker and check off number 3. Now we're going to take away, we're going to take a 10 away and give it to the 1s place. So we're going to check that off because we're about to do it. So now what do I do with the 6? 6 is smaller than 7. So what do I have to do?
Regroup.
And the 6 becomes what?
16.
Mm-hmm. Awesome. So now 16 minus 7. We could use our fingers. So show me using your fingers. Count from 7, right?
12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 10.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
9.
Right. What about 6 minus 5?
1.
Right. So 76 minus 57 is?
19.
You did that so good. So now I'm just going to give you a few questions and do it on your own, okay? I think you're a pro. I think you can do it. You think so? Okay.
Yeah.
So let's do...
4 times 4. How about I roll 1, 2, 1, 2, 2. What'd you roll? See, that's 4. Is 2 times 4 the same as 4 times 2?
Okay, so with these 4 questions, you're gonna do this on your own. Now, don't forget to check off every time you use a stop. And we also have to do that label, and you can use your fingers, okay?
Okay.
Okay, you can do it. Take your time, there's no rush. And if you get a 10 when you subtract, you should check it again.
Do I, wait, if I get a 10, do I put it up here? Put the 1 up here?
You're not supposed to get a 10.
I'm not supposed to.
No.
13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18.
So with this, 8 minus 9, you don't count 9. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18.
I know, I was thinking something, I swear on that.